I got bony elbows. Okay, yeah, switch. Just like this. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Put her on the front. Good. At least have something to sign with. Don't step so wide like a second shot. Go. Griffin, you got the second shot. Third shot. Good. Don't step so far. Good. That's what you did. You didn't step as far. You stepped too far on that shot. It's too far to go. Yeah. Really good like that. So, sorry, I shouldn't stand in here.
No, you're good. I'm going to set it up over there next time, I think. Because everyone hangs out here, you can't see shit.
You just record the whole session, or what?
Yeah. I'll go back through and edit stuff out. I had a process all figured out, so it would.
Process.
Yeah, how I wanted to edit it. I got a collection of good open source stuff that lets you edit it pretty easily. Like, I tried using Movie Maker, but it was just too slow because the file was too big. It was horrible. So I got software called Virtual Dub, which I like way better. It lets you like rotate the video or slow it down or speed it up. Put all kinds of filters on it if you want. Cut pieces out.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's pretty neat software. You got that and a video conversion software, you're laughing because it only reads like AVI or something like that, and this doesn't record an AVI. But you can do like fake slow motion with it. You can run a filter that goes through and it doubles the frames so that it makes it slower. So you can go through and slow stuff down a little bit. It's not real slow motion, but it still looks cool.
Where do you post it?
YouTube. But I'm not very good at posting them because it takes a while to edit them out, to go through it and edit it. So.
You do it at work?
I haven't actually taped since last year. Well, since the last time we were inside. Because I don't remember to charge the battery, so I don't bring it when I'm outside.
I didn't get to see your comment.
Okay.